Trump government warned undocumented immigrants that they will deport it after catching in just 6 hours. And you can how
A knock at the door, and 6 hours later, you're on a
see
plane
how
being deported to a country where you've never lived. No time to pack properly, no chances for goodbyes, and no guarantee of
ICE
safety at
raids
the
more
other
and more.
end. Sounds made up? This might become the new reality for some migrants in the United States. Reports say a major shift in the US immigration policy now allows
Undocumented people,
people to
you
be
can see.
deported almost instantly, and not just to their home countries, but to third countries where they may have no ties at all. Under a recent memo from US Immigration and Custom Enforcement, or the
Yes, ICE
ICE,
can
there are
do.
now 3 different reported
They
scenarios
can
for
deport in
removing
6 hours.
migrants to
Yes,
a third
they
country.
are so fast right now.
First, if the country offering to take the migrant does not guarantee their safety, ICE must give at least 24 hours notice before deportation. Second, in urgent or exigent cases, such as last-minute flights or security issues, the notice period can
They are
shrink
catching
to
more
just
and more
6
people,
hours.
undocumented people.
And third, if the destination country has given diplomatic assurance that the migrant will be safe, ICE doesn't have to give any notice at
Everything
all.
is going so fast.
This marks a
You can
sharp
see
departure from the previous practice, where such deportations were rare and
the long
required more
queue.
time and protection. The change could affect thousands of people, including long-term residents, people with stable jobs, families, and even legal work permits. Immigration lawyers say the policy could send people to countries where they do not speak the language, have no support, and face real danger. One case cited in a lawsuit involves a Guatemalan man who was deported to Mexico, a country where he was later kidnapped and raped. Earlier this year, a US District Court judge ruled that deportees should be given at least 10 days' notice to allow them to challenge their removal. But the Supreme Court has now put that ruling on hold. It did not provide a detailed
People
explanation, clearing the way for
don't know
new
what they
deportation rules to go
need to do right
forward.
now.
According to reports, ICE
People are
says
gathered.
screenings for
I think they
humanitarian
are
protection will
undocumented
still be
people.
done, but they will happen quickly, often within 24 hours. Officials also don't need to ask deportees if they fear going to a third country. If any immigrant expresses fear of being deported in the 24-hour period, they will be screened for possible humanitarian protection.
Everything
These
is going
screenings
so
will
fast.
determine if the person deserves immigration court proceedings or humanitarian protection. As of now, around 55,000 migrants are in ICE detention. More than 207,000 migrants have been deported, and the Trump administration has plans to do more. With this policy, thousands of migrants in the US could be uprooted in hours and sent to countries they've never called home. 6 hours may be enough to book a flight, but is it enough to decide someone's fate?
You can see in this video the process of deportations is going so fast, and the